Welcome to the Blockchain Security Monk tutorials as part of the Forta bot development training. In lesson 8, we make your Forta bots to be aware of each other. Instead of just watching the blockchain directly, this bot listens to alerts from other Forta agents. So think of it as one monk rings the bell. That is the first spot that detects an event, and another monk writes it down. That would be this spot logs or react to that alert. So let's have a look again to the general project structure. And the structure is consistent with all the previous lessons. And so we are going to find the source folder in which we have agent.js that contains the logic to listen to external alerts in this case. Then we have the test folders in which we have a unit test to simulate an alert from another bot. Then we find the package.json that tracks the dependencies like Forta agent. Then we have the Forta config.json that includes the network and IPFS settings for Forta, and the README file that explains how to run and test the bot, and that you can modify as you please with new unit tests and different tests. So let's review the bot logic in the source folder. Here what it does is that it waits for an alert event from another bot, and it checks if the alert has the ID that we are monitoring. In this case is HiETH1, and then emits a low severity finding to acknowledge the alert. This is how Forta bots communicate and chain detections together. So now let's run this bot by starting by installing dependencies and running the bot locally by installing npm install in your command line in your terminal, and this prepares the environment for your bot, for your Forta bot. Once this is ready, you run in local simulation mode by writing npx Forta agent run. The output will show that the agent is starting and the agent is running locally, and that is waiting for alerts. But again, as the previous cases, we have no findings object yet, because this bot only reacts to alerts from other bots, and the default simulation doesn't send one. So in order to trigger a finding object, we simulate an incoming alert from another bot. We have to simulate an external alert. And you run your test by writing node test /simulate alert.js. So this simulates receiving an alert called HiETH1 from another bot. So the expected output in the terminal will be the finding object with the name follow-up alert, for example, and a description that says receive alert HiETH1 from bot and the bot ID number. Once you get this finding output, this is what is going to prove that your bot can listen and respond to external alerts. So in summary, with lesson 8, your skills now include communication among bots, among Forta bots. Now your bot can listen to other bots. Also alert chaining, that is a detection by bot A can trigger bot B. Then also local simulation, that would be when we use the simulate alert.js to test alert-driven logic. So this pattern is crucial for multi-agent monitoring systems in real-world security operations that you're going to see in more details in more advanced lessons. So your bot now talk to each other like monks passing messages across towers. So I hope you have find this lesson productive, and see you in the next meditation.